In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show percentages in profit and loss reports in Xero. By the end, you'll know exactly how to display each income and expense line as a share of your trading income, so you can quickly spot margins, cost drivers, and where your money is going. First, log into Xero. Once you're on the dashboard, head to the top menu and click Reporting. From the list of available reports, select Profit and Loss. This report summarizes your income and expenses for the period that's already set in the report, showing how much you earned, what it cost to operate, and the final profit or loss. Inside the Profit and Loss report, look toward the top area of the page and click the More button. This opens additional display options that control how the report looks and what extra context you can see. Scroll down to the section labeled Show. These options affect how the numbers are presented, making it easier to interpret results without changing your underlying data. Now enable the option called Percentage of Trading Income. This setting uses your total trading income as the 100% baseline. When it's on, each line in the report will show a percentage that tells you how much of your revenue that item represents. Income lines show their contribution to total revenue, and expense lines show how much of every dollar earned they consume. After turning it on, review the percentage values in the report. You'll see a new percentage column alongside the dollar amounts for each account and subtotal. This lets you read the report in relative terms, not just absolute figures, which is especially useful when comparing categories of different sizes. Use these percentages to compare income and expense categories. For income, you can see which revenue streams contribute the most to your top line. For expenses, you'll quickly identify big cost areas, like cost of sales, payroll, or rent, and understand their weight against your revenue. A higher percentage means that line item takes up a larger share of what you bring in. Take a moment to analyze profit margins and business costs. For example, if cost of sales shows at 40%, that implies a gross margin around 60% for the period. Similarly, overhead percentages help you gauge operating efficiency and highlight where tighter cost control could have the greatest impact. When you're done reviewing, click Update to refresh the report. This applies your display choice and recalculates the percentages so everything on screen reflects your current settings. That's it. You can now view income and expense percentages in your Xero profit and loss report for clearer, faster financial analysis.